Hello, hope you are having a good day. Let's look at the top crypto news from across the world. First up, Bored Ape Yacht Club founder criticizes campaign that says the BAYC has Nazi symbolism. On June 24, Wiley Arono, better known online as Gordon Goner, co-founder of Yuga Labs, the startup behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC collection, took to Twitter to address the misinformation campaign that claims he and his team are super-secret Nazis. Goner said that even though he paid attention in the past to what he called incredibly unbalanced accusations, he did not provide as detailed a response as he did today after a YouTuber posted an hour-long video of an alleged 6-month investigation, documenting what he thinks is a link between the BAYC corporate image and the Nazi symbolism. So far, the video has nearly 900,000 views and has caused quite a debate among those who watched it. Goner began his thread by explaining that the founders of BAYC are a group of Jewish, Turkish, Pakistani, and Cuban friends. Even Goner's wife is Mexican-American. Because of this, he argues it would be ridiculous to think that the Bored Ape Yacht Club or its members have anything to do with the Nazi movement. Goner said that all these accusations were a lie promoted by an anti-BAYC activist named Ryder Rips, who created a copy of his NFT collection under another name and sold almost $3.5 million on OpenSea, before his account was suspended for violating intellectual property laws. Goner noted that Yuga Labs was named after a villain from the video game Zelda who can transform himself and his friends into 2D art, which made sense considering the NFT collection they wanted to create, and that he and his friends were a group of nerds who love MMORPG video games like Warcraft. As for the BAYC logo, he explained that they never intended to take the logo so seriously, assuring that everything about BAYC was created in a spirit of irreverence and absurdity, which is a far cry from Rip's views. Bitcoin miner loans worth nearly $4 billion reportedly in jeopardy. Analysts in the crypto industry say that more and more Bitcoin miners are having trouble paying back loans they took out against their mining rigs. While only a few miners have actually defaulted on their obligations, an increase in the number of miners selling off their Bitcoins means that there could be growing distress in the sector. Reports say that BTC mining companies like Bitfarms Limited and Core Scientific Incorporated have sold large amounts of their tokens in the last few months. For instance, in May, Core Scientific sold more than 2,000 BTC coins to cover increasing operational costs. On the other hand, Bitfarms put on the market at least half of its Bitcoin reserves in order to pay part of a $100 million loan it took from Galaxy Capital. Because of a long slump in the crypto market, Bitcoin has lost more than 50% of its all-time high price, and the value of Bitcoin mining equipment has also dropped by at least half. The popular S19 mining rig from mining hardware manufacturer, Bitmain, has lost about 47% of its value since November 2021, when it was valued at about $10,000. Luka Yankovic, the head of lending at Galaxy Digital, said this about the current state of the BTC mining industry: machine values have plummeted and are still in price discovery mode, which is compounded by volatile energy prices and limited supply for rack space. Most miners turn to newer crypto lenders like Galaxy Digital, Celsius, and BlockFi for loans to grow and improve their operations. Unlike traditional financiers, these lenders accepted mining rigs as collateral alongside cash down payments. But the ongoing slump in the price of BTC, which has led to a commensurate drop in the value of mining rigs, means that the lenders may now not be holding enough collateral for the loans they gave out against those machines. Uniswap set to add NFTs to its product lineup with latest acquisition. Uniswap announced the acquisition of Genie, an NFT marketplace aggregator, as it plans to launch NFT trading on Uniswap soon. We're excited to announce that we've acquired Genie, the first NFT marketplace aggregator, which lets anyone discover and trade NFTs across most platforms, the company's blog post read. NFTs will be integrated into our products, starting with the Uniswap web app, where soon you'll be able to buy and sell NFTs across all major marketplaces. We'll also integrate NFTs into our developer APIs and widgets, making Uniswap a comprehensive platform for users and builders in Web3. While the company did not reveal details of the deal in the blog post, Uniswap reveals that it plans to reward users of the platform before the acquisition through a USDC airdrop. The airdrop is slated to start in August and run for a year. Uniswap remains the #1 crypto decentralized exchange. The DEX commands 34% of the market share. Harmony offers a $1 million bounty for return of stolen funds. Harmony Protocol, a proof-of-stake blockchain, tweeted an offer of a $1 million bounty for the return of $100 million in crypto, stolen from the hack of its Ethereum-linked Horizon bridge on Thursday, as well for information on how the hack took place. The company added that it would advocate for no criminal charges if the funds were returned. Harmony Protocol's founder and CEO, Stephen Say, also tweeted that there was no evidence of smart contract code breach. No evidence of any vulnerability on the Horizon platform was found. Our consensus layer of the Harmony blockchain remains secure. While the Harmony team is continuing its investigation, security experts on Friday had offered some insights into the hack. According to Mudit Gupta, Polygon's chief information security officer, the perpetrator gained control of a multi-signature wallet used in deploying Harmony's bridge, probably by compromising 2 private addresses, and drained the funds. Say said that his team has found evidence that private keys were compromised, leading to the breach of our Horizon bridge. He added that while the investigation was ongoing, Harmony would continue taking steps to further harden our operations and infrastructure security. Mastercard survey says 51% of Latin American consumers have crypto experience. The digital payments revolution that began during the pandemic is driving Latin American interest and use, as 51% of consumers in the region have made a transaction with crypto, a Mastercard survey shows. Additionally, more than a third said they've made a purchase with stablecoin. Increasingly, Latin Americans are turning to technology to conduct their financial transactions, and this trend is expected to continue to rise, with an overwhelming 95% planning to use a digital payment method in the coming year, and 29% acknowledging having used less cash in the past year, said Walter Pimenta, Executive Vice President for Products and Engineering, Mastercard Latin America and the Caribbean. In Latin America, 54% of consumers surveyed are optimistic about the performance of digital assets as an investment, and 2/3 want greater flexibility to use crypto and traditional payment methods interchangeably. Most consumers in the region, 82% of those surveyed, said they would like to have cryptocurrency-related functions available directly from their current financial institution. Thank you for joining us today. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with Crypto World.